Attacking, also known as spike, is one of the most important offensive skills in a volleyball. It is the attack of the hitting the ball forcefully over the net into the opponent court with the goal of scoring a point. A successful attack requires proper timing, straight coordination, and accuracy. Usually, the attack comes after a good set from a teammate, allowing the hitter to jump in, strike the ball at the highest points. Possible attacking is not just about power; it is also involved strictly source as a meaning for open space of avoiding block. Level, also known as spiking, is performed by following a series of coordinating movement to successfully hit in the ball over the net. First, then player executes an approaches by taking 3 to 4 steps forward, and then net striking slowly, and then striking speed while keeping their eyes on the ball, and as then properly to jump, but our arms are swinging backward to ball.